Okay, so today we're going to install the cam and the governor bracket. You'll need to get the magneto gear in time also with that mark. So they all got line up. So first, we're going to put this on. Like so. And remember to lubricate all your points before you put it on. That way, you don't have to go back and forth on it. Did I lube this up or did I not do that? All right. Now, you don't have to tighten these up, just snug them up. Because you might have to take this apart to make sure that it's all lined up with the magneto gear, the gear here, and the camshaft. That's it, guys. So if you guys like this content, be sure to give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Hit that bell notification if you would, please. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.